Hey everybody, welcome back to Jimmy is Promo, and today let's take a look at a few flex modes that's a part of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. So taking a look at a couple areas where flex mode works, we'll go inside of the camera. There's two ways you can activate this. One of the first ways is just by simply folding and giving this thing a flex. So this way you can see your gallery on the left, your camera on the right. The other way you'd be able to activate this is by hitting those two arrows on the top right hand side. Again, it makes it a little bit easier if you wanted to manage all of your camera on the right side. Take a look at your pictures on the left. Anytime you take a brand new photo, it'll show up on the left hand side. Now taking a look at what this looks like when it is in landscape mode and flexed, you're going to have your display on the top screen, gallery on the bottom left hand side, and then your camera functionality is going to be on the bottom right hand side. Now the other area that flex mode does work in is going to be inside of the gallery. For the gallery, it only works in landscape. Give this thing a flex. And then now you're able to scroll your images with the bottom screen. If you swipe up, you can see all of the details. Samsung also took advantage of the messages, and so when you go inside, this is how your phone is normally set up. All of your conversations is here. When you go inside of a conversation, it takes up the entire screen. But what you're able to do, go inside of your settings, go inside of display, scroll down to screen layout and zoom, move it over into this one. So it's a way that you're able to view more. Go right back inside of messages. So now all the conversations per each person will be on the left-hand side, and then the conversation with that person is right here. So if you have, let's say, Jack and then Jill, you'd be able to switch between the conversations pretty simple, and you go right back inside of your keyboard, send a text message back. If this makes it a little bit easier for you to keyboard and text, you'd be able to do it this way, just by simply tapping on that middle icon. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hand subscribe right over here on the very bottom left hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.